Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. If you're new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I post a new video. For today's Lightroom tutorial, I will show you how to create this filter. If you want to download the preset, I will put a link in the description box for you to download. DNG file is protected by a password, and it will appear separately as a YouTube card on the upper corner of your screen. Password is divided into 3. Combine all to unlock the download. For mobile user, to be able to see the password, make sure to use YouTube app instead of the browser. Here's the before and after photos using this Lightroom preset.
Chill now, try to pretend, but I don't know this ghost of a friend I once had. I want you back. I never thought that I could crumble like this, but I've been searching for the words to tell you how I'm breaking down. to pretend, but I don't know this ghost of a friend I once